All right, this is it. This is the last written assignment you're going to have in an English class in your high school career. And I'm sure that's got some mixed feelings, but I cannot wait to read your response to this. So, the last 3 weeks, you've been exploring uh, stories, art, and politics. And for this final entry of the creativity project, you will consider all that you've learned through this project. So, in a podcast, video, or written response, you're going to answer the following questions. What have you learned? What kind of future do you want? And what have you realized about creativity and how to imagine the best possible future? The authors and artists that we have studied this entire semester has led to this point, because the whole point is how can we use our written word? How can we use our words to create change? How can we use creativity to create change? So what kind of world are you wanting? So for this final portion of the assignment, you have 3 choices you can choose from. Written reflection. You can write a minimum of 3-paragraph response answering to the questions in the prompt. A podcast. So if you're somebody who wants to just talk it through, develop a 2 to 3 minute podcast and provide your response to that prompt. You can use Vocaroo to help you record. And then you can also complete a video explanation. So you can create a 2 to 3 minute video providing your response to the given prompt. And you can use websites such as for Screencast-O-Matic, that's what I use, to create the videos. So for this entry, you have to include a creative title. It still does need to be on that same document the past 3 assignments have been on. And then you need your response. Okay, this is it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this project, and if you have any questions at all, let me know. I will be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much, and thank you for an awesome year. I can't wait to see what you write.